Hey y'all, how is everyone doing? Oh my goodness, I know it's been a while. I can tell you how long it's been. It's been 5 weeks. And the reason it's been 5 weeks is I have been sick. I'm so sorry. I have not felt like filming. I've had to do work because, I can work from home if I need to, so I need to work if I can from home. Some days I wasn't even feeling good enough to work from home, but I know I look rough today. I actually don't care because I thought, I'm just going to go ahead and film as I am because I've gotten 3 purchases that I want to review with y'all. Matter of fact, let me zoom that in just a little more because they're handbags and I know y'all going to want to see them a little bit better. A little bit better. Whoops. There we go. Right about there is what I'm thinking. Okay. Alright, that should be bright enough too. So, I've gotten 3 handbags, 2 Brahmins and 1 Millie. Millie, I'm not sure how it goes. I think I'm going to end up sending this one back. I will tell you that I ordered it through Dillard's, and I'm shocked at the way it shipped. So there was a box outside Dillard's box. No interior box. I understand they're trying to maybe cut back. Just regular bubble wrap. No dust bag on the purse at all. It's probably inside, but to open a box and get no tissue paper, no even packaging paper, the harder paper, no dust bag, and just bubble wrap with a purse inside, that's too far. I know that we need to change on packaging, but you also do pay for a little bit of an opening experience, and some of you may roll your eyes, but others of you go, no, I know exactly what you're talking about. There is an opening experience. But also the protection of the bag. This is not a dust bag. This is not protective enough to be inside of a bag, especially if it rains and the tape's not all the way and some water seeps in. It could have gotten to the bag. What do I think of the bag? First of all, I don't have one this color. I have some that are more magenta, more red than this. This is more purple. And it's a smaller size, which is what I was going for. This is the small, oh man, they've even covered, okay, so I got it on sale from $3.25 to $2.43. So Dillard's must have had a sale on this is why I did this. Because I don't really need this color. I just thought it was really pretty. Y'all know I love magenta. That's my favorite color. Some of my other bags are very close to magenta, if not more magenta. Magenta is a violet red. It's more red than pink. It's not fuchsia. It's not bright. It's muted. But this is more mold. So it's more like a purple. And I believe that it's called sugar plum. So it's more plum toned. But anyway, let me just see if I can find. This better have. Y'all, I don't even see a dust bag at all. Okay, it does have the shoulder strap in the same tone. Let me just look down in here with the stuffing. Better have. Okay, it does. A little tiny. Is it the right size? Hold on. Yeah, maybe it is. They just folded it up and put it inside, which, that really should have come in this. It should have come in this and then had the protective bubble wrap around it. I understand if they're trying to do less boxes because it changes weight, which saves you shipping money. Or them, whichever way that goes. Just wasn't impressed with the overall opening experience, but this was from a department store that apparently put this on sale, and that's why I bought it. Because, like I said, they had put the tag smack dab on top. Let me see if I can look in the zipper in here and see if it names the bag in here. Because I know it should have its card. There is a card, but I think this is the card that has the protection. Wow, I can't even get it out. Can I get it out? If I do, I won't ever put it back in, I'll tell you that. Ah, come on. My goodness. Okay, it is in there. They shouldn't have put that in the zipper. Normally these do go in the zipper, but this is such a small bag it barely fit. Almost broke the interior. This is the small Halle. I do have Halles. One in the pecan. There's one. It's actually close enough that I can reach it from the shelf. So I'll just show you the difference in size. There's the back. Oops, let me put this down so you can see the size. So see, it's shorter, it's not as tall, and it's not as deep. So it's a smaller bag. And that is why I got it. I wanted a smaller version of that. And I wanted it in a different color I didn't have. I didn't really want a blue. And I saw this kind of purpley magenta color, and I thought, I'll try that and see if it's a color I like. It's got the top handle. It's got a back pocket that you can slide your cell phone in. It was on sale, almost $100 off. It has the buckle in the front. It's a magnetic closure. It is brand new. It's, you know, it's all protected. It does not have bottom feet because it's so small, I guess. Like I said, it does have its shoulder strap, and I would think this would probably be crossbody, so I would definitely keep that in there. It has 2 slip pockets, 1 zipper pocket, and then the rest is just an open compartment. It's a small bag. For $2.43, that's not a bad price for that. So I might keep that. And again, this is what the regular Halle, that's a Halle, that's the name of it, the style. And here is the size difference. It's about 1 inch shorter. And about 2 inches less deep. Or, you know, yeah, the depth of it. Because they have the accordion bottoms, they do not have the bottom feet. I like bottom feet, and I like structured bags, I'm realizing, the best. So I will likely keep that. I also got another Brahmin I had wanted for a long time, and finally, I don't know if somebody had it on or it looks like. Now see, this one came in a protective bag. Now this is directly from Brahmin, not a department store. And inside the protective bag is the dust bag. So this is better packaged to get to the consumer. And then when you open it, it's direct to the purse. And this is one that I have never had before. Again, you notice I'm getting smaller purses. I have a lot of large bags, and so I was looking for a smaller purse again this time. And I don't have a straight navy handbag. Out of all the handbags I have some shades of blue, like a denim silver blue. I have a midnight blue with black. I have a midnight blue with gold trim, and I have the bright royal blue in the in a coach. But never a navy. I've never thought I would like a navy. And I find myself, I guess because of wearing jeans, I wanted a navy bag. So I wanted it simple. This is just a smooth leather, is what they call it. It's not super smooth. It's the grained leather. And this one, where did I get this one from? I think it's direct. Yeah, direct from Brahmin. Proof of purchase. If you remove this, it's yours. I get it. It's got more of almost a collegiate look, a very simple casual bag really. It's got the, again, for your cell phone, it has a pocket on the back that's important to me to be able to just grab my phone rather than have to unzip my bag to grab my phone. It's got kind of like a little dip in the middle to give it shape. It's rolled top handle. It has its matching shoulder strap. It already had its dust bag cover. These little things. Remember, whenever you get these little things that keep moisture out, go cut them over the toilet. And because if it falls and a child or a dog gets it, the whole thing in their mouth, it can kill them. Look, they even did a protective to kind of hold it up to help it keep its shape. And because it did that, I might keep that because it's kind of telling me this may slouch because it's such soft leather. See how softy it kind of just squishes down? I may need to keep those 2 pieces just to help it keep its shape. It's pretty significant. It reminds me of a Louis Vuitton Speedy. Only the Speedy only goes this far and you cannot get your hand down in the thing. I love the shape and the depth of the Speedy, but the opening, you cannot get things in and out. This is a big wide zipper. I also like that it's a zipper top, so if you take it on a plane or whatever, if you take it in the car, slam on the brakes, and your purse goes on the floorboard, you've got a nice zippered closed thing. It may be disheveled when you open it, but at least everything doesn't fall out. It has, all Brahmins have a keychain holder inside so that you can always find your keys by just pulling that up. It's got a zipper pouch. Most Brahmins, the older style, maybe it's just the Duxbury's, have a big zipper pocket on one side and a little one on the other. And originally they told me that was a jewelry pouch. Like people may put a bracelet in there, an extra pair of earrings or whatever. But you can put any small thing in there. On this other side, it can either have 2 slip pockets or a slip pocket and a pen pocket. I still like having a pen pocket. I like being able to grab a pen. Like when I go to the doctor's office, I don't want to use the pens. that somebody else has used, and they always say they have, ever since COVID, they have the used and unused. I still want to use my own, even if it says it's unused. I'll use my own that I bring. I usually will put my lipstick, my compact right here, a pen here. Sometimes I'll stick my cell phone in there, but usually I'll use the back pocket for my cell phone. This will hold my keys, and it's got plenty of room. This is a keeper. That's a definite keeper. So, especially because it was it on sale? Hold on. Oh, here's the card. By the way, you're supposed to go ahead and register these, I believe. And then you've got any kind of care for life. This is called the Michaela, Micaela, and the color is Anchor Mystic. Anchor, like, you know, the boat anchor, mystic, like the Mystic Sea. And so you do keep these because that tells you what is the product. And then you always get these little guys, and that just tells you the care. So definitely love that. Like I said, they didn't have it. They went to all these other colors, and you couldn't find navy. And then all of a sudden, a navy popped up, and I'm like, grab it. And it was like one of the 4 left. Sometimes I think they do that for hype. But I am glad I got that. Okay, so last but not least, those were my fall purchases. That's how long it's taken. You know, usually in a change of season, I will look at whether or not I'm selling a lot of bags now. I'm selling the big... finally, I'm selling the Hermes, the black Hermes, Clements 35. It's at the Real waiting to be sold. I also sent the Christian Dior, and I went and checked my account, and it says preparing for return, adjusted. And I'm like, I didn't do anything like that. That was straight out brand new, bought from Dior. And they're saying something's been done to adjust the bag. I'm like, no, it hasn't. So it'll be interesting to see what goes on there. Whether or not I'll keep that relationship with the Real. This, Millie, or Millie, M-I-L-L-E, maybe Millie bags.